Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up some nacho taco wings at the pit, and it's easy to do. All right, Barbecue Pit Boys Pitmaster Joseph Q is going to show you how to get it done. And he's starting out with some chicken wings. Here we've got a packet of your favorite taco seasoning, some black olives. We got some sour cream there. You're going to need some water. You're going to need some lime, some tomatoes. How about a red onion? Here we've got some jalapeno peppers, all right? You're going to need an avocado. You're going to need several kinds of cheese. And you're going to need a little bit of salt. All right, let's put this together. And this is easy to do, I'm telling you. Now, Joseph Q is separating these wings, right? We want these bite size for this nacho taco wing recipe. I'm telling you. This is gonna be good. So next you wanna squeeze some lime. Now we're breaking this down into 2 stages because we don't have a big bowl. If you got a big bowl, you'll all be able to do this all at once, whatever. Now, here is some taco seasoning. Use your favorite taco seasoning or your homemade blend, right? Or there are some good ones on the shelf too. You wanna season them up good. And you could do this a couple hours before, right? The longer you let this seasoning sit on there, the more intense your flavor will be. Again, 1 good packet of taco seasoning will handle these wings. Oh, man, they look good enough to eat already, I'm telling you. All right, now, let's put them on the grill. Now, we're going to be doing indirect grilling on this. We've piled the charcoal on the middle of this kettle, right, as you can see that. And we'll place the wings in a circle around it, indirect. This way we have full control over the heat. We're not going to burn these wings, right? Just get them around there. And we're using a high heat on this. We'd like to be at 425 degrees. The high heat will allow us to get a nice texture on these wings, make them crispy, right? Perfect. Again, that's indirect, and this is gonna be good. Oh, perfect. Now, while we're waiting, we're gonna cut up some veggies. Here's the taco part, right? Plenty of fresh veggies. We'll chop up a tomato. You know how to do that. Here we got some fresh jalapenos. We'll chop them up. I got pico de gallo. Make it fresh. That's best. Anything out of a jar, just forget it. Now we'll dice up an onion. Traditionally, you want to use a red onion. It's fairly sweet. Oh, man. Martha, you got to check this one out. I'm telling you. All right. Give it a good mix. And of course, we want to add a little cilantro. So the neighbor happens to have some cilantro. I don't think she'll miss it. Just joking. All right. So we'll chop some of that cilantro up. And I know some of you are out there, oh, I can't stand cilantro. I just don't get it. You have to have cilantro for this mix. Perfect. All right, let's check on those wings. Take a look at that. We're about halfway through, and this is where you want to rotate them a bit. All right? Man, you can see we've got a perfect fire, no flaming, nothing burning, total control. And these are going to be the ultimate wings. Perfect. All right. Take a look at that. Oh, Lord have mercy. Just listen to that. Those are crispy, just perfect. They'll be moist and tender on the inside. Pull them off the grill. Oh man, they ain't any words. Now, while we're waiting, we're going to melt up some cheese. And here we've got American processed cheese. I know your cheeseheads are losing it, but this is the way you need to do it. This processed cheese will melt, get nice and creamy for you, right? So we'll add a little water to get that melting process going. It takes a little bit, all right? And then we're going to add the shredded cheese. And this is the real cheese. And that'll allow this to melt in, gets thick and creamy. You probably know how to do this, right? All right, perfect. Now, this is what it's all about. We're going to pour that cheese all over these wings. Oh, yeah, they're flying in the aircraft on this one. They're taking pictures. Just keep pouring it on. And when you think you got enough, you pour on some more. Just keep pouring it on. Oh, Lord have mercy. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's about right. No. How about some more cheese? This is class. Nothing like nacho taco wings when you make them. If you like cheese, put as much on as you want. Now, we got to make it look real pretty. So the colors of Mexico, the chopped tomatoes, the peppers, the onions. Oh, are you kidding me? Now, this is an order for one. Oh, man. There's just no words, like I said, right? How about a squeeze of a little more lime? Hit it with some more black olives, as much as you want. I've got tears in my eyes. I'm losing it. Bit of sour cream. You gotta have the sour cream. And how about some fresh avocado? That's what I said. Nacho taco wings. BBQ Pit Boys style. Thumbs up. We have a bunch of BBQ Pit Boys chapters down in Mexico. We love Mexico. This is awesome. Perfect. Avocado all over the top. Hit it with some more cilantro. Oh, can you smell that? It smells good. And if you can't, you're on the wrong damn channel. So to get this recipe, head on over to our website. Oh, man. And this is where Joseph Q eats it in front of you, and he's not apologizing. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.